Singapore offers a pro-business environment, strategic location, and robust legal framework, making it an ideal destination for foreign professionals and entrepreneurs. Singapore's economic and legal stability provides a fertile ground for businesses to thrive, complemented by a seamless company incorporation process. The process involves incorporating a company, appointing a professional nominee director, securing an employment pass, and eventually relocating to Singapore to manage your business. To form a company, you must fulfill basic requirements such as a registered address, paid-up capital, and key personnel roles. Ensure all documents are in English and properly signed before submission. An employment pass is essential for professionals to manage their Singapore company and engage in business activities. Our streamlined process ensures compliance and simplifies your journey to operating a company in Singapore. Compliance with Singapore's regulations is mandatory. Failure to file annual returns or tax documents may result in legal consequences. With your company incorporated and employment pass secured, you're ready to manage operations and capitalize on Singapore's vibrant business environment. Let us guide you through the process of company incorporation and employment pass application to ensure a seamless and compliant experience.